Hello everyone, as you can see in front of me I have the wireless lavalier microphone system from Neewer. I do have the RØDE wireless microphone system, and while we're going through this unboxing we'll talk about why I ended up adding the Neewer as opposed to another RØDE or possibly the DJI lavalier mics as well. So let's go ahead and first unbox the microphones. And while I'm going through this, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. Just go ahead and get that. So this video, for the most part, is just going to be the unboxing and maybe just talking about why I went with this as opposed to any of the other ones. But in the future, if people have questions, I will definitely be creating more content about this microphone. I will be using this microphone quite a bit moving forward as well. So you'll be able to hear, you know, the audio quality and whatnot as we go through. So first off, we've got a nice magnetic enclosure there. Go ahead and take out the instructions, gel. I've got a case, got a bag, and that's it in the box. So go ahead and put that, stick that right there. So it's a nice bag. It's kind of velvety, which is nice. Take a look what we have in there. We've got some more gel. And then in here, we have some windscreen protectors. We have a USB to USB-C. And then we also have another USB-A to USB-C connector, but this has a right angle on the USB-C. And then we have a audio cable as well. All right. Opening up. Oh, that's a nice, more substantial of a guide than I was expecting, so I'll give it that. So let's go ahead and put that over there. We'll take a look at that later. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now I will say this has a very solid feel to it, which I appreciate. And as you can see, these guys are charging already, so that's awesome. And we'll go ahead and close this. And there they are. So here's the size of the microphone, and we've got a magnet on it. The magnet is about the middle of the clip there. The clip feels nice as well. Oops. So in here then, we do have a couple of different connectors that we'll use with the main unit. So you can see that we've got a USB-C to USB-C connector, which you might use if you're connecting to, say, a laptop, for instance. And we'll make sure that we put that back in place, just like that. And then on the other side, we have a USB-C to Apple Lightning connection. So we do something like that, and that clips in there. We also have the clip here, which would go right into a shoe as well. So like if you're using a GoPro, for instance, you've got the shoe mount there that you would use. Let's take that out. All right. So that's that. So far, so good. Like I said, this isn't going to be an audio quality guide, but I just wanted to kind of take a closer look at what you get here. So over here, I have another case. This charging case did not come with my RØDE Wireless Go II, but it does do some of the same capabilities. So let's go ahead and take a look at the size difference. So here is the base unit. So let's go ahead and compare base unit to base unit. Definitely a size difference there. And then if we take a look at mics, significant difference here. And this is really where we're going to see the difference. Now, again, I don't know what sort of audio quality we're going to see difference here, but really I needed a device that I could very quickly just throw in a bag and not really care about. So I didn't really want to do that with this guy because these are definitely more expensive. They're like 300 bucks, whereas the newer ones are 100 bucks. So it's not the end of the world if something happens to them, but I did like the fact that it came with the case. I know the DJI one also does, but that's also around $300, and I did not want to be spending $300 for just an extra pair of mics. So that's kind of what I'm looking at as far as the difference here between the Rode and the Neewer here. So a couple of other things. So the charging point is on the back here. We do have the ability, if you need to, you can charge them separately. I don't know if you would do that so much because we do have the charging case and it's so easy to use. All right, so that was a quick look at the Neewer CM28 lavalier mic system. I know that there are a few other mic systems from Neewer, but this is my first one. I've used Neewer products in the past, and I've been really happy with them, so I'm looking forward to using this in the future. If there's anything that you'd like to see in a future video regarding the CM28 microphones, please feel free to ask down below. And with that, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. We do a lot of things that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we also do home automation, photography, electronics, basically anything a professional geek might find interesting. So if any of that is of interest to you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.